welcome to the lesson on Management of Forest and Wildlife. At the end of the lesson, we will learn about what are 3 R's to save environment. Why do we need to manage our resources? Who are stakeholders? What is sustainable management? We often hear or read about environmental problems. There are a number of organizations that spread awareness about our environment and natural resources. In our day-to-day life, our good habits and lifestyle can help manage and save the environment. Saving water, saving electricity by switching off unnecessary lights and focus, using public transport, recycling waste paper, plastics and glasses can help us save our environment. We have often come across 3 R's to save the environment: reduce, recycle and reuse. Reduce means that we make less use of the resources available. We save water by repairing leaky taps. We save electricity by switching off unnecessary lights and fans. We do not waste food. Wherever possible, we use public transport. Recycle means that we collect plastic, paper, glass and metal items and recycle these materials to make required things instead of manufacturing fresh items. Reuse means that we simply use things again and again. Instead of throwing away the papers, we can reverse it and use it again. The glass and plastic bottles of food items like jam or pickle can be reused for storing items. Used plastic bags can be used for carrying purpose instead of new ones. Why do we need to use our resources carefully? Because our resources are limited and the human population is increasing at an alarming rate. The demand for all the resources is increasing at an exponential rate. While we exploit these resources, we damage the environment while extracting or using. For example, mining causes air pollution and soil erosion. Pollution is also caused as large amount of slag is discarded every tons of metal extracted. Hence, safe disposal of wastes shall also be planned. Biodiversity of an area means the number of species found there. Biodiversity shall be preserved because a loss of diversity may lead to a loss of ecological stability. All human beings depend on forest resources for various reasons. The people who live in or around forests depend upon forest to produce various reasons like wood for building house or firewoods. The Forest Department of the government which owns the land and controls the resources from forest. The industrialists who use various forest products like paper mill owners. The wildlife and nature enthusiasts who want to conserve nature. All these people who have different interest in forest resources are called stakeholders. Each stakeholder shall put effort for conservation and management of forests, but this effort is not equal. The Chipko Andolan was a movement of local people in the remote village in Himalayas. There was a dispute between local villagers and forest contractor. Local villagers protested against cutting of trees. The women of the village clasped the tree trunks, thus prevented the workers from felling the trees. The Chipko movement quickly spread across communities and medias and forced the government to rethink the cutting of trees for forest products.